In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jupyter Notebook for data analysis. By the end, you'll know how to open Jupyter, create a new notebook, import the essential libraries, load a CSV, and quickly inspect your data so you can move confidently into deeper analysis. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser. You should see the Jupyter dashboard with your folders and files. It's best to keep your project and dataset in the same folder so paths stay simple and everything is easy to find. From the top menu, click File, hover over New, and select Notebook. If you're prompted to choose a kernel, pick Python. A new tab will open with your blank notebook. I like to rename it right away so it's clear what the notebook is for. In the first cell, import the core libraries you'll use throughout your analysis. Import pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP, import matplotlib, pyplot as PLT, and import Seaborn as SNS. Then set a clean visual style with SNS. Set Theme. Pandas is your go-to for data frames and wrangling, NumPy handles numerical operations, and matplotlib plus Seaborn are for plotting. Run the cell to make sure there are no errors before moving on. Next, load your dataset. For a CSV file, type df equals pd, csv, salesdata.csv, and run the cell. If your file isn't in the same folder as the notebook, include the relative or full path. If the cell runs without errors, Pandas has created a data frame called df that holds your data. Now, preview the data to confirm it loaded as expected. Use df.head to see the first few rows. This quick glance helps you verify column names, spot obvious formatting issues, and get a feel for the structure. Finally, explore the dataset structure with df.info and run it. This summary shows each column, its data type, how many non-null values it has, and overall memory usage. It's a fast way to detect missing values, understand which columns are numeric versus text, and plan your next steps in cleaning or feature engineering. That's your solid starting workflow in Jupyter Notebook for data analysis.